Hey everyone, Shai Schwartzman here, your audio video coach, and I have the pleasure of speaking to Mr. Jay Macklin from Platinum Living Realty in Scottsdale, Arizona. You do the house tours, but you do them a little bit different.
I do. You guys have all seen the house tours, right? Where there's an agent who's standing outside the house and they're saying, hey, I'm at my new listing at 123 Main Street. You know, come, let me show you around. And what happens is the camera goes in and the agent is nowhere to be found. I go through and I say, hey guys, I'm at my house, my listing over here. I'm going to show you like 3 top things that I absolutely love about this house that are so unique. Stick with me, hang in there, because I'm going to show you the very last thing. And I get through 3 things really fast, right? I'm not showing the street behind the house. I'm not showing the power lines. I'm showing things I'm trying to sell the house, right? So that's where I think a lot of agents are failing. They're just simply doing like an intro, and then they're just letting the videographer kind of go through the house and, you know, just video all the nice pieces, as opposed to giving me your opinion of what you think that house should be, on how nice that house is going to, you know, sell based on those items.
How are you leveraging the videos?
Definitely on social media. So we use Facebook and Instagram, but believe it or not, I actually send those to the buyers in my database that actually have looked at a house similar to this. And so we scrub our database and go, okay, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house in this price range. We pull our list of buyers that are in our database and we send out that list or that video to them, as well as the off-market property list, which we also do videos on. Just getting them to engage to see the house, and then also getting them to engage to see that I'm literally helping them try to find a property for them. Because a lot of our properties, or a lot of our buyers in Scottsdale and Phoenix, are out of town. It's a very much a second, third home community. So they're coming from California or Canada or wherever, and so they don't have the luxury of having somebody go out and look at it. So I'm being that person for them.
And the off-market homes, you do tours the same way?
I do tours the same way, yep. So we have an off-market list that we have homes that are coming to the market, and we do that same video. And so these are off-market properties, and this is like a first look. This is like a behind-the-scenes first look that you're going to beat out the hot new listings from all the other buyers out there based on having our list of homes, and we do the video through the property just like we would on a house that's listed.
How else do you use video in the process?
Yeah, so my position on video is I don't like scripts. I want to be authentic. So when I talk on video, I am talking like it's my best friend. I don't talk to it like it's a script or it's a sales pitch. I'm very, very much like I'm talking to my buddy without the expletives. Sometimes. But what happens is it just becomes really authentic and warm, and people draw into people that they know that they can communicate with. Oh, I really like that guy's attitude, or he's got a great demeanor. I could really bond with him, or he would be a great agent. So that's the skill I think it takes on video. It's not just shooting yourself and reading a bunch of words. It's having a relationship with the camera that you're having with your consumer that's going to watch that video. Just in your head, think about what you want to say in context. Doesn't have to be the same words. Doesn't have to be this, you know, the perfect verbiage. You might misspell or missay something. It's okay. Like, that's the fun part about video.